The ongoing SIR exercise in Uttar Pradesh has turned the game into a race against time for the booth level workers, BLOs, who are working round the clock to ensure the form submission by the last date, that is December 4. They are working from dawn to dusk to ensure the smooth process and an accurate figure for the election commission for the voting purpose. India Today TV will be spending a whole day from morning to evening with one of the BLOs working round the clock. It's 7 a.m. around in my watch, and we'll be moving to the residence of one of the BLOs and spend a day with him to show you the crisis, the hard work they are doing to ensure a proper number for your voter list. Let's move around. A place look alike Delhi's Lajpat Nagar. No, it's not Lajpat Nagar. It's the Ashiana of Lucknow, and we have reached via stairs to the room of one particular BLO whom we'll be tracking today. And as we move across this particular room, cameraman Sandeep will show you the visuals. This is a small room where this BLO stays. As you see in the visuals, he's completing his procedure. It's morning 7:30 a.m. He's on to the work at this time even. He has taken bath and is completing his remaining work. There is one stove out here. I'll show the visuals first, where he cooks food. Right over here, some utensils. While if you go down a bit, some remaining vegetables even. And above all of that, a small, we have an idea whenever we purchase a flat, we see एक storeroom होना चाहिए भाई. But here in this particular area, this is the storeroom. And this is the storeroom. The remaining the essentials he keeps there only. And this also. And a small cupboard out here where he keeps his books. You can clearly see the books and other essentials which he needs. So this is the way he leaves. So another point out here, he is completing his work out here, having the morning breakfast even, because you can see the form, the SIR forms he's completing. The deadline is 4 December. And not just that, this is the small bed. You can see here he is working, and right next to it, here he sleeps. A very small room where this BLO manages things around. Family lives in Kaushambi, so he stays and manages everything on his own. So we'll be going alongside him to the homes, to the narrow lanes of Lucknow to find out what work pressure these BLOs are dealing with on a daily basis with a deadline of 4 December. So BLO Saab is all set to leave his one small room and move across the narrow lanes of Lucknow. He has got his bike ready with a bag of election commission and a helmet on his head, following the safety norms. We'll also move across him, along with him, to find out the ground reality of the SIR procedure. Let's find out. So now, as I'm sitting beside BLO Shamji of Lucknow on his bike, as he is moving towards one school where some people having some issues, some problems, he'll be going there to solve them out, to collect some forms, and then moving to the narrow lanes of Lucknow to get the form submission done before the final deadline. As we move across this particular Lucknow's different localities, you can see the challenges being faced by the BLOs, as he hasn't even completed his breakfast completely, and it's 7:30 a.m. and he's moving across to the locations for the further procedure. So now we have reached the school after covering the distance with the BLO himself, as we see that the BLO is now meeting people who have some problems, and you can see he has got the paper with him, and they are having a proper discussion regarding the voter list.
सबके घर घर जा रहे हैं BLO साहब, सबके घर घर जा करके सबकी समस्या पूछ के सबका समाधान कर रहे हैं।
नहीं अंकल जी, फॉर्म जमा कर लेते हैं, आपको भी निकलना होगा।
So you can see the form submission. If you have whatsoever problems, they are submitting the forms
जी सर
with all the details in the form.
इनके पिताजी का
As
नाम
well.
है 19 ये
जी सर,
इनका,
जी।
इनका पुराना आई कार्ड का नंबर शायद ये है।
जी 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 जी
ये दे दिया ये
जी
दे
अंकल
दिया ये
जी,
दे
जी,
दिया अब ये
ठीक है सर।
रायबरेली
जी अंकल उत्तर प्रदेश हो गया, ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट हो गया रायबरेली
हाँ ये
ये
110 नंबर उनके उसमें दे रहा है कार्ड में
कार्ड में।
57वां।
अंकल लेकिन ये आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा, जैसे कि आयोग ने कहा कि जब तक ये एग्जैक्ट नहीं मिलेगा, जैसे यहाँ पे
एग्जैक्ट तो है उनका वो है ना आई कार्ड है
आई कार्ड है,
वो है वोटर कार्ड है।
उससे उससे क्या होता है, सर्च नहीं हो पा रहा है। अगर जैसे कि पूरे अपने भारत में कई राज्यों में एसआईआर का कार्यक्रम चल रहा है।
देखिए डाल दिया हमने जो उनके वोटर आईडी कार्ड में दिया हुआ है
जी जी जी
वो हमने इसमें से डाला है।
ठीक सर, ठीक
ये वोटर आईडी कार्ड में
जी
नंबर है।
So that's how they are in a way dealing with the problems whatsoever from coming out of the home by 7 a.m. and reaching here around by 8:15 a.m. and the solution to the problems, that's what BLOs are doing around the clock. From here we'll be listening to some more problems and then we'll move to the narrow lanes to the residential areas for more form submissions. Come along. So after completing the procedure in the school, listening to the problems, solving them as well, now we are moving along with the BLO to the household, to the residential areas to ensure the proper form submission and any problem whatsoever by them, because another rumor is spreading across of OTP with many defaulters trying to earn money by duping those who are trying to do the SIR thing. Later, the Chief Election Officer of UP has clarified that there is no OTP system during this SIR procedure, and this is another task for the BLOs to clear the rumors to the residential areas, to those who are living here. So they are moving across to the homes to clear each and every rumor. And number one, for the form submission. Let's come across. Now we are reaching to a voter called Arbia Bano in this locality near the Lal Kuan of Lucknow. And via these narrow lanes, the BLOs are moving across from one area to another. As you see in the visuals, with all the documents in his hands, he is carrying. The voter herself is coming to the ground floor for the submission of this form, which comes under the procedure of SIR, and in between some other locals as well coming along and telling their problems to BLO.
राजेश वाला मैं तो पहले दे भी दिखा था पहले
तो पर्चा नहीं है आपका?
पर्चा नहीं देखा
घर में तो मैंने उपलब्ध करवा दिया था।
नहीं था मेरा नहीं है ना उसमें मेरे भाई का था भाभी का था
अच्छा,
इनका है सबका है, मेरा नहीं है
अच्छा मैं देख लेता हूँ अभी।
राजेश कुमार के नाम से होगा
जी जी जी
Many residents have their problems, they haven't received a document. They are telling BLOs about the same, and BLOs ensuring proper action regarding their matters. So in many cases it has also been seen that the BLO has given the form to one household 3 days, 4 days back. But when he arrives to collect the form, many residents haven't filled their form. Maybe they have some problems like where to fill what, but that is making the job of PLO much difficult, as in that case they themselves are filling their forms, which is taking extra time, more hard work for them, and obviously more challenges for them to even fill the form of the voters. That's not the duty of them, but still they are doing to ensure the process to be completed by the time. So as we reached the Sahu family in Lucknow, the BLO was welcomed warmly out here. Even they asked for tea, some nashta, some breakfast. So they even get some families like these also, where the BLOs are being greeted with full heart. As we see the visuals here, the procedure is still on. Some don't have their names in 2003 list, but the mother has the name, so it's not much difficulty as you see in the visuals. So yes, they are also being welcomed. In some families, they don't meet that warmly, but yes, there are also some families which receives and welcomes the BLOs, as they are the backbone of this SIR procedure. So we met one Fatima. She has one problem which BLOs are also facing at the same time. because many people have changed their address in Aadhaar card for many reasons, for OTP purpose, for many deliveries. We know that all these procedures, but that led to the change of ID in the voter ID as well, change of address in the voter ID as well. So their name has been dismissed by the voter ID as per their claims. So what next for them for being the voter in the SIR? So the solution being given by the administration and the election commission is that after this procedure of form submission by 4 December, by 9 December, another form will be given to those people whose address have been changed in the meantime after 2003 in their Aadhaar cards, but name or address haven't been updated in the voter list. So then via that particular form that will be given by the BLOs at their residences, then their names will be added in the voter list, and that problem which has become a major concern for the BLOs as well, as they're getting a lot of calls about that. So this problem will be solved then only. So we meet a lot of people who keeps on motivating these officers as well, because it's around 4:30 now. Nothing, no lunch, nothing has taken place yet, because no time whatsoever, because we have been traveling alongside them, and as we see that there are many people who are motivating, some are depressing, but many are motivating, and that's the big thing for these hardworking BLOs who are going through a lot of pressure with lot of date, with date right there of 4th December. So it's 5:30 p.m. now. We are traveling since 7 a.m. along with Sham, the BLO of the Sadar Tehsil, and he has got some forms that he has collected from the different areas as we were also moving across. So now what next? People want to know. So next procedure will be that he has one app, the BLO app in his mobile phone, via which he will record via this particular scanner. He will record it right over here with this mobile phone and then put the details of this particular voter. The app also has the option of filling the details of the relative for those who haven't their names registered in the 2003 list, and also for those who have their names registered there. Via this, the entire day process, or what we say the details of the day, goes directly to the election commission via this particular online procedure with the help of this BLO app. Though they have to carry this paper as well for the submission offline, but the online procedure makes things quite easier for the BLOs and also for the election commission for the further data. So it's the dawn to dusk moment for the SIR Sipahis. They are none other than the BLOs who are working round the clock, as India Today TV spent a day with them from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. as we are back to the school from where the journey to the movement of the residential areas begun. As I have the BLO Sham himself, the journey is ending, and now he'll be taking the bike and riding back to his one small room where the storeroom is there, the gas stove is there, a small table and a small bed. Though a sigh of relief for him will be a video call from his wife, his sons, his daughter, that will bring back some smile back on his face and may relax him to a bit. But with spending a day with a BLO, we can clearly say that they are the real warriors of Election Commission in this process of SIR. And as a citizen, as a voter, it's our responsibility to help and contribute in the effort they are putting in by reaching to each and every household without having lunch, without having much time for other things. With cameraman Sandeep Dubey, Samarth Srivastav for India Today.